So you were following that bus, right?
I was following that bus.
Okay, tell me what happened. Tell me what you're seeing.
Okay, coming down the hill, her bus started smoking. When I was going down Cedar Hill, it was hard because I had to keep hitting the brakes, and then the brakes actually started smoking, like when I was going down. Okay. Every time she hit the brakes, it was like, whoop, a puff of smoke. Puff of smoke. And she was like riding them bad boogers.
Was she nervous? Did it seem her nervous?
She was, because she was like, oh no, I don't want to go down this fast, and I needed to slow down and stuff. And then I kept trying to hit it to slow it down under the speed limit, but it was kind of hard because I had to keep my feet on it for a while to get it to actually slow down enough to be actually the speed limit under it.
So American Bus brought us 2 school buses to put the Sentinel Exhaust Brake system on. And when the drivers showed up, one of the bus's brakes were actually smoking and were very hot. She said going down Cedar Mountain, Highway 89, that she had a very difficult time keeping it slowed down. And so we're excited to install these Sentinel Exhaust Brake systems on these school buses, go back up Cedar Mountain, and see how they perform. We've just installed the Sentinel Exhaust Brake system on this bus, this school bus, this big orange school bus, and we're going to be test driving it right now to see how well it works. Okay, we've got this thing clear up in the mountains, Cedar Mountain, beautiful mountains. She's running hot because I just climbed up that 8% grade. It's looking beautiful. Let's head down. Now this has the automation on it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. While While pushing my throttle, of course, it's not going to be on. 8%. Okay, it's going to be very, very steep here. Let's see what she does. The brake is on now. Controlling with the throttle. Can't tell, but it's very steep right here. Woo. Turned the brake off and started taking off on me. Definitely holding it. Holding it right at 35 miles per hour. A little under, actually dropping. I know it's hard to tell, but this is very steep right here. Very steep. My foot is completely off the pedal.
So yeah, and it was like a big puff of smoke, and it really was. When I was going down Cedar Hill, it was hard because I had to keep hitting the brakes, and then the brakes actually started smoking.
Cedar Mountain is definitely a steep hill, 8% or greater in a lot of parts of it. And after the Sentinel Exhaust Brake system was installed on the buses, I was able to go down and not even touch the brakes at all. So I say it's a complete success. Thank you for watching.